Starting a distillery business in South Africa can be an exciting venture, but it also requires careful planning, research, and adherence to legal regulations. Here are some steps to guide you through the process. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to identify the demand for your distilled products in South Africa. Understand the preferences of consumers, potential competitors, and distribution channels. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your business goals, target market, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational details. A well-thought-out business plan is essential for securing funding and guiding your business's growth. Legal and regulatory compliance. Familiarize yourself with the legal and regulatory requirements for operating a distillery in South Africa. This includes obtaining the necessary licenses and permits from the South African Revenue Service, SARS, the National Regulator for Compulsory Specifications, NRCS, and other relevant authorities. Location and facilities. Choose a suitable location for your distillery. Consider factors such as access to raw materials, proximity to target markets, and compliance with zoning regulations. Your facilities should be equipped with the necessary equipment for distillation and storage. Product development. Develop a range of high-quality distilled products. Experiment with different recipes and flavors to create unique offerings that cater to the tastes of your target audience. Sourcing ingredients. Source high-quality ingredients, such as grains or fruits, for your distillation process. Consider working with local farmers or suppliers to support the community and ensure a consistent supply. Branding and marketing. Create a compelling brand identity for your distillery and products. Establish an online presence through a website and social media platforms. Consider participating in local events and collaborating with restaurants, bars, and liquor stores to promote your products. Distribution and sales. Develop a distribution strategy to get your products into the hands of consumers. Explore partnerships with wholesalers, retailers, and online platforms to expand your market reach. Quality control. Implement strict quality control measures throughout the production process to ensure consistency and safety in your distilled products. Financial management. Keep a close eye on your financials and manage your budget wisely. Monitor expenses, cash flow, and profitability to ensure the long-term sustainability of your distillery. Sustainability and responsibility. Consider implementing sustainable practices in your distillery operations. Additionally, promote responsible drinking and contribute positively to your local community. Starting a distillery business requires dedication, creativity, and a passion for crafting exceptional spirits. Be prepared to overcome challenges and continuously improve your products and processes as you grow your business in South Africa's dynamic market.